All right. Welcome back, traders. This is Irvin here, aka TeamWithERVING. Welcome to another session. Today is our pre-week analysis for the week of August 17 to the 21st, 2020. So today we are going to be analyzing, in my opinion, the top 4 currency. If you do have any other opinion, please let me know in the comment below. Or if you want me to analyze any of your pair for tomorrow full week analysis, please also let me know as well in the comment below so I can add the pair, and at the same time I will be giving you a shout out. All right, so like I said, so this is gonna be for gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUD Canadian dollar. So this is our pre-week analysis. Let's go. Let's get to work, because we need to be. All right, here it is. Here's the first one. And here, this is in here, guys. I'm gonna be giving you be saying a couple months already, like a month. I'm gonna be giving you what with our dashboard. And so like that you can have one template with dashboard, one template without dashboard, so like that you can understand what to see between one and another one. So here, this is what I think is going to happen on AUD Canadian. What I'm seeing here is our brothers and sisters is telling you the market is doing what? Look, market is doing exactly what the system is telling us to do. So in here, guys, we are trading. Let me write it down here so you will not forget. We are trading with our multiple time frame system. That's what we're trading for. Look at how simple it is. Look, sell. Oh, I'll make this thicker. Let me take this off so we can make it nicely. Look, sell, brothers and sisters come in, signal trigger, boom. Brothers and sisters come in, signal, boom. Look at that. So I like to teach people only real time. That's why I make all this analysis, because they are reality. Yes, I will look good on this one, right? Yeah, the system will look good as well. I need to teach you real time. Real time is all it matters. But let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer, guys, before I continue. I'm not your financial advisors. This is just my analysis, giving it to you using our multiple time frame. If you do have any question, please do your own research. But all I'm giving you here is idea of what the market is gonna do. These are not signals, so this is just for educational purpose. All right, so I'm not your financial advisor. If you're looking for a financial advisor, you are in the wrong channel. Let's go. So real time here, this is what I love about my multiple time frame. Real time here, market is doing what? Real time. Brothers and sisters come in, boom, market is going up. So what I'm giving you this analysis for this week, the trade is not really over to give us a small reversal. So I'm expecting to see maybe 1 or 2 or 3 more candle. Then the market is going to give us a small reversal, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. And from there, boom, bingo, market will take to the other side of the aisle. That's what I think it's gonna do on this particular pair. You guys have any opinion, guys? Because this is it. Look at how gorgeous this setup is. Oh my goodness, this is good. Any question? Comment below, because I'm here live, guys. I'm here. The only way that I can help you is only if you comment. And if you find value on this one, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, and so I can make more video, and it will help the algorithm of the trade. All right. So any question? If you have any question, just also comment below, because I'm live. So I'm reading your messages. I'm here with you. All right, so let me go ahead and delete this off, and so we can move to the next one. All right, so the next pair that I have here is the GBPUSD. I really like this one, guys. This pair is gorgeous. It's really nice. Look at this. It looks like a head and shoulder. Look. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. But look at what the system is telling us. This is what I want you to understand. Look at here. What is the system telling us? Real time is telling us the market is in a bearish market. Look, there was another entry here. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this sexy entry here. Gorgeous. So, my opinion for GBPUSD is the market is gonna do this coming week. The market is dropping. Market is gonna drop all the way, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting, confirming that really there is gonna be a sell, making that sell stronger, making like it's like a brick wall. So from there, boom, market will drop down. It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. Very straightforward. Hopefully this makes sense to you. I really like this pair, to be honest. It's one of my favorite right now to trade. All right, so any question, guys? Any question? Let's go. Let's go. And one thing, guys, is if you want to find us on, you want to subscribe to our YouTube Gold membership so you can get access to the one-on-one that I did with all the traders. Just the class alone is worth $159. So it will help you to become a better trader. All right, so it's all about you investing in your mind. So if you want to make money, this is it. If not, that's fine. You can be watching the video. And if you guys want to grab our multiple time frame, please look in the description of this video. There is a link in there. You can send me a private message so we can chat for a bit and so on. If you want a discount, also let me know. Send me a message and I will give you some discount. All right. So, but it's very affordable. It's not that much. All right, let's go. Let's go to EURUSD. Pay attention what EURUSD is doing. It's another gorgeous one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. What is our brothers and sisters telling us the market is doing? Pay attention. Real time, guys. This is real time. Look. Confirming. Hey, TeamWithERVING, we are coming down. What are you going to do? That's a good question. That's a really good question. Pay attention here. This is what I think EURUSD is going to do this week. EURUSD this week is going to drop, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Look at all the support and resistance. Boom! It's going to hit that area. Then market will reconfirm, making that drop stronger. It will do a small pullback, retesting all the support and resistance again. Then what do you think it's gonna do? Boom! It's that simple. It's that simple. I don't see it complicated. Yeah, I mean, that's what it is. You guys have any question, guys? Comment below if you have any question so I can read your question, try to answer your question, and so on. And I'm gonna answer your question based on my ability. So it's not that I'm gonna be 100% accurate. No, based off me. All right. And so hopefully that helps. And like I said earlier, if you want to come in, sure, do that. Come and join us. And here it is. And guys, I don't know what part of the world you guys are in, but if you are anywhere outside the world and you're having an issue, contact me. I have a WhatsApp link in there as well, Twitter. I'm on every social media, so go ahead and subscribe to our Facebook as well. Subscribe on both FOREX USA group and multiple time frame as well. So like that, you will know what's going on. All right, let's go. All right, so hopefully this is making sense, guys. And I know here is my my arrow radar that is giving us a signal. Look at what the day 4 hours is telling the market is a sell. Look at how gorgeous this is, guys. Look, this is coming, so I'm still working on it. Look, 4 hours is a sell. Look at that, 4 hours is a sell. All right, let me do this. Oops, where is it? See that? 4 hours is a sell, 4 hours is a sell. Look at what the daily is telling it. Daily is a sell. So that's good. Look at that. All that is a sell. So it's reading all the brothers and sisters as well. So all you gotta do is go to any lower time frame, get some pip out of it, and boom. Because remember, guys, the way how I do this, look, I want everyone to keep a mind on it, because I'm making the video tomorrow, right? So if you want me to analyze any of your pair, please drop it on the comment of the YouTube, not here on the live session, and so I can give you a shout out currently based on what you wrote in there. So in here, the way how I trade my multiple time frame, I pay attention what MT4 is built in, guys. I pay attention what 4 hours is built in. I pay attention to what daily is doing. I pay attention what weekly is doing. I pay attention what our monthly is doing. That's it. Then all this guy here, all I gotta do is enter on any lower time frame. It's that damn simple. Let's go. Trading multiple time frame is the direction of the money, guys. This is where you are gonna be finding success. That's simple. Guys, pay attention to the song that I released yesterday. Hopefully you like it. I really love multiple time frame because it really is paying the bills, guys. It's really paying the bills. Trading with rules is the secret of Forex, guys. Stay with it. Don't disrespect the rule. Let the trade come to you. Don't chase the trade. Let the trade come to you. And boom, money on your pocket. Let's go. All right, let's move forward. Hopefully all this is making sense. And make sure, if you are watching us for the first time, make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow we are going to be dropping our full week analysis. And I don't think you want to miss that, because there will be some amazing setups in there as well. Let's go. Let's go to the last one. I know a lot of you guys this is one of the favorite pair that everybody asks, but look at how the system is gorgeous, guys. This is amazing, I'm telling you. Oh my God, look at here, brothers and sisters, come in, boom, sell. Brothers and sisters, come in, boom, buy. Brothers and sisters, look, I gave you this last Sunday. I said the market was gonna drop before anyone else opened their mouth. I told you guys, multiple time frame gave you the signal way earlier than anyone else. And what happened? And then I came on Wednesday and I said, guys, that sale is over. My analysis was 100% accurate. Last Wednesday, when I did my pre-week analysis, the review that I did on Saturday and Sunday, it was 100% on point. Perfect, guys. I don't like to see my analysis to be 100%. To be honest, this is me. And I want to be clear, because I want to be an honest coach. I don't want to be giving you the wrong information. I want to win at least 75 out of what? Out of 100, guys. That's what I want. That's what I want, my winning ratio. My winning ratio to be on 75. Because trust me, sometime you will win all of them. Some of the time, unfortunately, the trade will go against you. It's part of doing business. At least we have an educated opinion of what the market is doing. But this is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said it. I mean, on Wednesday, when we came back and analyzed. But I did said it. I mean, on Sunday, I analyzed this one. And then when we come back on Wednesday, I say, guys, that sale is over. Finito. Done. Gone. So the market in that time was in a bullish position. And everybody agreed when we did our live session. Now, look, we are trading with the market here is bearish, guys. Look, I'm telling you right now. Based on my system, multiple time frame system, pay attention what this system is doing here. Pay attention. Look at that gorgeous drop. So this week, I'm expecting the market to drop more because remember, the market is bearish. Market is gonna drop more, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. If it breaks the 50, it's gonna come back and retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Either way, it's fine. Then the market will do a small pullback, confirming, making that drop stronger. Boom, making it like a brick wall. And then what do you think it's gonna do next? Boom! It's that simple. Pay attention what our radar is giving us. Our radar is giving us a drop. Boom, guys, I'm telling you. Oh my God. Yes, the daily is telling us the market is bullish, right? Look at that. I'm telling you. But hey, that's this. What do you guys, this is a good question. And don't be shy. Let me know. I'm going to give you some time for you to think. Let me delete all this. Actually, I should leave it in there. Answer this one for me, because look, if you answer this correctly, this is how you will understand what the market is doing. So in here, what do you think this guy is doing here? I know we're missing more data here, still in a bullish position, right? So now, which is fine. Now, what do you think this represent? Drop it below. If you think it's bearish, type number 1. Go ahead, type number 1. If you think it's bullish, type number 2. I'm gonna answer for you. Go ahead. Let's see who's right. Right. Bingo. Boom. This is multiple time frame system, guy. This is how you need to be trading. All right, let's go. Hopefully all this makes sense, guys, because to be look, multiple time frame is what you need, guys. Let's go. Any question? Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube Gold membership if you want to watch those one-on-one. Even if you don't come here and trade with us, that will teach you a lot to be a better trader, to be honest. That class alone is worth more, but it's there available for you. And also send me a text once you're there, because I mean, I can give you access to the chat room and so on. And if you did find value on this video, please give me a thumbs up. Or if you think I need to improve my analysis for tomorrow is the pre-week analysis. Let's go. Let me know, and I will analyze any of your pair, and you can find me in all the social medias as well. All right. So far, hopefully all this makes sense to you. You guys have any other question? Because if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Let's go. What do you think is gonna do next? Well, I will go ahead and start putting all your pairs that you just sent me, put it into my full week analysis. I'm gonna start working, because look, I work so heavily to make you guys grab those hundreds and hundreds of pips. Let's go. Thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless United States of America. Let's go. Well, didn't show up, right? Let's go. There you go. Slowly but surely. Let me close off. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless you.